Crikey, didn't see you there. Today, Phil O'Donnoven's gonna show you all about nature here in Glen Canyon. Come on, let's go. Whoa, 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 hold up right there. Now you see this right here? This is a wild dolphin shit. Now, let's see, bit of red string in there. This means they're quite healthy. Means we might have some predators on the way. Come on, come on. No, stop filming the shit farther into the canyon. See this log right here, Sometimes you go into the canyon and there's logs on the floor. Now let me show you. This is very, very dangerous. Don't try this at home. No. Now come on. We gotta go further in the canyon. Oh, great. This is quite an experience. Oh, smells like feces. Might be another clue as to who we're hunting. Right there. Got ourselves dead roly-poly. Always fun to see. Crikey, nothing here. Come on, fall into the canyon. Whoa, another log right there. Watch out. Whoa. See right through there? See right through there? I think I saw a wild wildebeest. Wild wildebeest right there. This is incredible. No wild wildebeest has been seen in 15 years. You getting that camera guy? Ted? Come on, let's go. Whoa, 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 whoa. Rocks right here. Now, look here. You gotta go quickly past the rocks. Try not to trip. If you trip, you are dead. Oh, and we're good. Now you just do the same thing and we're good. Crikey, what happened? Oh God. Oh God. What happened to you? Crikey.
Trip.
Give the phone to Ted.
Ted will take over now.
Ted,
I'm pretty sure I can do this.
Shut up, Ted. We gotta be quiet. There's a wild wildebeest out here. Now sit down. Sit down. Oh God. See that right there? That's the sign of the wildebeest tracking you. Now, Johnny, cameraman, we're gonna need you to be our bait. Come on, let's go. Rocky, stop right there. See that right there? That's called a chain link fence. Wonder where it goes. Yes, right. These are blackberries. Delectable fruits of any kind. Ooh! Crikey, get back! Right here, we have a wild Axe dry all-day antiperspirant and deodorant bottle. Now, look right there, it's wild. Oh, it's moving. Yeah. And that's why you always use the factory-made sticks, not these crappy homemade sticks. Now, let's go. Farther in the canyon, come on. Oh, whoa, 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 rocks. Oh, God. Oh. And we're good. Righty. Stop over here, ventilating. You're fine. Come on. Let's go. Farther into the canyon. Whoa. Crikey. See this right here? If I went over this going full pace, I would have bloody died. Now, watch after me, okay? Watch after me. Simple. Now do it slowly. Come on, Ted. Ted, you gotta come on. Ted, you piece of shit! I gave you one job. Why did
What? Come on. Don't. No. Stop. Right. Yeah. What about your leg, huh? You gotta keep going. God.
Fucking
We're gonna cut that out. We're not gonna have that. Just fine.
Stop right there. We're on top of real-life volcanic rocks. Let's keep on moving. Ooh. Stop right there. See right there? The wild wildebeest is ahead of us. Come on. Now, we're just about to reach the wildebeest's den. Ted, you go get some shots of the wildebeest. Me and Phil, Ted, whatever. Johnny, stay back here.
All right. I'm getting the shots. Ah! No!
All right.